Hello Aries, this is Akansha from Antadana Tarot Reading and I am ready to give you the readings for the month of July. So today I am using my Angels deck, Healing with the Angels, and let's see what these angels have to say to you. So get ready for your readings. I'll be giving your readings in just few seconds. So today I'll be using different kinds of spreads. So for different zodiac, different spreads will be taken into account, and I hope you like this thing. So I'm done with my shuffling. Now let's see what the cards has to speak to you. Okay, so this is your first card. This card I have drawn by looking into your present situation. So this is your present situation, guys. Playfulness. Now what this card speaks to us is that you are being very cheerful right now. The overall atmosphere around you is very healthy. It is a lot of fun. You are grabbed with people, you are engaged with situations where you can enjoy your work, where you can enjoy yourself. So this is the best time you are having in your life right now. What playfulness also speak is that for those who are married, I would say that there are chances that you may welcome a new member in your family. Just like in the pictures you can see, there are kids playing here and there. So similarly, you may also be granted by God. He might provide you the loved one in your life. So this card also speaks about the child who is on way and who is just waiting to call you mummy and papa. So let's see what happens. So this is the card which speaks about playfulness, which speaks about being cheerful, which speaks about enjoying yourself, enjoying everything that is happening in your life. So this was the card for present situation. Now what is the obstacle that you are facing, which is abundance? Guys, when we think about abundance, what usually people think is having everything in their life. So we all want everything, of course, but if we feel that there is a scarcity of something, then we'll never be able to find out the abundance of something. By this, what I mean is that one should feel grateful that he is given a lot by God. He is blessed with lot of things, and there is much for him on this earth. There's much for him on this universe. So you just need to ask God for whatever reasons, whatever problems you are facing in your life. You just need to ask God that please come and solve it, because you are the supreme power and you can actually help me out in this situation when nobody else can, when I could not help myself. So you have the greatest obstacle that you are facing right now is of abundance. You are continuously thinking about scarcity, you are not thinking about abundance. You should feel that you have enough of everything. You should feel that yes, if I want something, I'll be granted. Whatever I need, God will be there to serve me with the best possible things which are meant for me. And you will be surprised to know that the universe will start responding once you start feeling that yes, there is equal share of yours. There are things which are meant for you and that are only for you. So this is the obstacle which you are facing right now. So stop thinking about lack of something and start thinking as if there's much for everybody. Even if everybody grabs his or her share, then also there be a lot there is much for everybody in this universe. Now what would be the outcome out of it? Support. So as your card said that this is not the situation to bother about. This is not the time to think a lot about anything. You are supported by the universe, you are supported by the angels, you are supported by God. You just need to ask for their help, and everybody will be at near you, they will be beside you, they'll be helping you, guiding you. So you are supported, so you don't need to worry about anything. So just enjoy your time. Feel as if there is a lot for everybody, and you should be happy that you are supported with each and everything in your life. You will be supported in your work, you will be supported in your relationship, you will be given proper guidance by God whenever required, wherever required. So you just have to relax at this time and enjoy this time to the fullest, because any regrets won't change your past. Any regrets won't change anything which you could have done, which you should have done, or anything. So just live this moment and enjoy. So this is all for the month of July. I'll be providing with you with the answers part, which you can see after every 10 days in my videos. So till then, you can follow me on Facebook, you can follow me on Tumblr, you can email me, you can ask for you can ask for readings, your personalized readings. There are certain offers as well. So you can go into my store, you can check my store, find the appropriate reading, find the appropriate way of communication, either via Skype, via email, or we can connect as you want me to connect with you. So till then, guys, have a great time. Enjoy your month. Take care. Bye bye. Lots of love.